What hinders your cooking progress? What affects the cleanliness of the kitchen? It's strange that the light wasn't chosen properly compared to other spaces in the home. The kitchen doesn't need to create atmosphere. Atmosphere means contrast. There is a shadow, and when cutting vegetables, it feels like a 2-meter man is standing behind. Block light. Remove shadows to prevent accidents. A uniform and bright light environment with no shadows and high color rendering is required. Why not recommend spotlights? 2 reasons. One is that it is easy to alternate light and dark in space. The air assembly is more obvious. It is inconvenient to clean up oil stains. The second reason is that regardless of the size of the kitchen, walking back and forth under the spotlight beam, many people feel uncomfortable. So where can spotlights be installed? Above the workbench. If there is no wall cabinet, for example, the washing basin and the cutting area, it is recommended to use small angle spotlights on ceilings, like 15 degrees, beam of light about 5 watts. At the same time, line lights are installed under the wall cabinet. A friend said that my cabinet is ready, nothing left. What about the line? Go search for cabinet sensor lights. No advanced wiring is required. Spotlights are not recommended under the wall cabinet because of its light gathering properties. The beam of light on the countertop is too bright, and beyond the light spot is dark. The line of sight frequently switches between strong and weak light. It gets tired easily.